What's up, man? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video. Are you ready? And first of all, I'm very happy because the last video I shared on my channel, it was a huge success. Now I'm asking you to help me to grow my channel by subscribing to it. When my channel reaches 300 subscribers, I'll give you a review of this beautiful model, which, in my opinion, it is very interesting. And now I show you this model. We stay one moment, please. When my channel reaches 300 subscribers, I will give you a review of this beautiful model, which, in my opinion, it is very interesting. In this video I'm going to show you the progress I've made on my Starship model. My current work is focused on applying the thermal coating on the Starship sides and nose cone. Someone might think this is a boring job, but I can assure you that I'm having a lot of fun and that this project is giving me a great satisfaction, because at the end of all this work I'll have a Starship model that will be very similar to the real Starship. Now I'll change the position of my camera and I will show you the work I've done so far. Okay, we stay in standby and I'm back so fast. I'm back so fast. Okay, I'll start by showing you the Starship right side. As you can see, this side is almost complete, and I only have to refine a few more complicated parts. Now I change the point of view, and in this way you can see in details all the parts present, all the work I done to date on the Starship right side. Okay, in this way I think that is good. As you can see here, close to the Starship nose cone, you can see all the thermal tiles I applied on the surface of the Starship, and there are present all thermal tiles here in this part of the Starship. All the thermal coating proceed here on this side. I change now the position. Proceed in the middle of the Starship body. And I show you all the thermal coating, the thermal tiles I applied in this part of the Starship. This part is close to the lower flaps and closer to the skirt section. The skirt section is here. This is the skirt section where there are inside the Raptor engines. This is the lower flaps. This is the in the right side, and as you can see, all the thermal blank. No, in this way it's not good. In this way it's good. Okay. Now I change another time and I show you the Starship left side. I start like the previous view with all the thermal coating present close to the Starship nose cone, and as you can see in this place I started to apply the thermal tiles close to the nose cone. Yes, it's necessary to proceed with the work because it's not finished, but in this way you can understand all the work I done in this section, in this part of the Starship. And to be honest, I'm so happy for all the work I done to date. Look, it's very rich in detail. This is the center part of the Starship. I repeat the left side. And this is like the previous part of the video. You can see all the thermal tiles present close to the skirt section and the lower flaps in the left side. It's very beautiful and I'm so happy for all the work I done to date. For the I change the position. The nose cone is still on hold because more or less because I don't have much free time now and I need more time to complete this part of the Starship nose cone. In particular, all this part of the nose cone, all the right side on the Starship in this part. In this part, and here is so close in the left side is so close to finish the work. The Starship upper part, in this case I show you the Starship. It's so beautiful. This part of the Starship is now almost complete. I just need to finish the bottom part, this part, the bottom part. I change the position of the camera, this part. And then this part of the Starship will be ready for the first coating of primer. In fact, I can tell you that is so complete. Yes, it's necessary to do a very fast work to refine some parts, but it's necessary to do. I'll show you. It's necessary to do a very fast work to refine all parts present here, in particular close to the cargo bay. But to be honest, I'm so happy because all the work done so far in this part of the model is so perfect. Yes, in this is a little problem for me. It's not very difficult to complete this part and refine this, but I'm so happy. I'm very satisfied for all the work I done. Okay. I change the position of my camera. In this way you can see all the part of the model. No, I prefer in this way. Okay. I show you in details the cargo bay section. This is the cargo bay door, where the Starship can release in space all the Starlink V3, the new generation of the Starlink. All this. Okay. Okay.